Welcome to part 5. What we're going to do in this video is look at the past participle of saber. And as we know from previous modules, we get this ado sound or an ido sound depending if the verb is AR or ending in either ER or IR. So saber here is behaving in a very regular way. It's going to sabido. That's the sound, sabido. So what we use this for is I have known, which would be he sabido. If we wanted to say for a long time, it would be por mucho tiempo. How would you say I have known for a long time? He sabido por mucho tiempo. If we wanted instead to say for a while, it would be por un tiempo. You can see that the only difference is the word in the middle. For a long time is mucho tiempo, but for a while is por un tiempo. For a time, I guess you would translate it as. So how would you say, I have known for a while? He sabido por un tiempo. Let's look at this all on one slide now from all the angles. We have, as we know, he sabido, I have known, and you have known would be has sabido. Then he, she, or it has known would be ha sabido. We have known hemos sabido, and they have known han sabido. So just as before in the module we did on this, the past participle remains stable all the way down the line, and the thing that changes the angles is this auxiliary verb haber from has, ha, hemos, and han. So familiarize yourself with that list if you need to. And once you've done that, let's run through a quick little drill. How would you say I've known? He sabido. You've known? Has sabido. He, she, or it has known? Ha sabido. We've known. Hemos sabido. They've known. Han sabido. The verb to work, meaning to function or to operate, is funcionar. Funcionar. How would you say they have known for a while that it wasn't going to work? Here we have another handle. Hopefully you can remember what that one was. Han sabido por un tiempo que no iba a funcionar. So here we have the handle of was going to or wasn't going to with the no. Starting out here we have they have known han sabido for a while, por un tiempo, that it wasn't going to work, que no iba a funcionar. How would you say I have known for a long time that it was going to work? He sabido por mucho tiempo que iba a funcionar. Again, we have I have known, he sabido, for a long time, por mucho tiempo, that it was going to. This is was going to, que iba a funcionar. So these are some examples of where or how we would use this I have known tense. To say all along in Spanish is todo el tiempo. So all the time, all along, it's the same thing in Spanish, todo el tiempo. How would you say we've known all along? Hemos sabido todo el tiempo. What about they've known about the house all along? Han sabido sobre la casa todo el tiempo. So here we have this past participle with saber, where we get this sabido sound. And if you need to revise the module that we did on past participles, make sure that you do that, because it's very useful for certain parts of speech to be able to express I have with the past. And as you can see, it's just the auxiliary verb that is changing down the line. Once you have the past participle sound, then all that changes is haber here from has, a, hemos, and han.